lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hills. I'm so glad to have you back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook turkey. In this turkey recipe, I'm going to be using different parts of turkey. So you can see here the wings, the breast, and every other part. So I'm bringing this into a medium-sized pot. And now I'm going to start adding in all my seasonings. So I'm going in with half a teaspoon of rosemary, thyme, cumin, cayenne pepper, chili powder, turmeric powder, dried celery leaf, salt. All the ingredients are half teaspoon each. And for the remaining ingredients, I'll go in with 2 stock cubes, 4 minced garlic, and half tablespoon of grated ginger. And lastly, I'll go in with a 1/4 cup of chopped onions. Next, I'll go ahead and place the pot on heat and add in water to it. I'm just going to gently mix all the ingredients together with the turkey and make sure everything is nicely combined. And I'll now place the lid over the pot and allow the turkey to cook for about 30 minutes. So guys, I've been checking this from time to time, and just after 30 minutes our turkey is cooked and it smells really great. Okay, so look at the rich stock. All I'm just going to do, I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm just going to pick this off from the turkey broth. Next, I'm just going to place the pan on heat and add enough oil to it. Once the oil is heated, I'll go in with my turkey pieces. Cooking your turkey this way allows all the ingredients to be absorbed into the body of the turkey, and also it cuts down the time that you would have used to marinate the turkey. So I'm going to fry this in batches. Don't forget to turn them over so they fry evenly. Once all my turkeys are beautifully golden, I'm just going to drain on a paper towel. And I'll go in with the next batch. So guys, once I'm done frying the turkey, I'll place another pan on heat. To it, I'll add about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll go ahead and saute onion, garlic, and ginger in the oil. And once the onion is fragrant, I'll go in with my pepper mix. This is just a combination of tomato, pepper, and a little bit of onion. So I added a little bit of tomato just to cut down on the spiciness of the pepper. So guys, I've been stir frying this for about 10 minutes and the water in the pepper has evaporated. Now I'm just going to season this with some stock cubes just to give it a nice taste. So that was 1 stock cube and half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'll also add in salt just to taste. I'm going to add in spring onion whites and the green leaves as well. And I'll give this a stir. And I'll go in with the fried turkey. And I'm just going to coat the stew with the turkey. Just stir everything to combine nicely. And once the turkey is nicely covered in the sauce, I'm just going to turn off heat. Once your delicious cooked turkey is ready, you can easily garnish this with more onion rings and some green bell peppers if you like. This is quite delicious and is so easy to make at home. I hope you enjoyed this my turkey recipe. Let me know if you have tried this out in the description box below. How do you cook your own turkey? As for me, this is the way I enjoy my turkey. This process of cooking turkey allows all the ingredients to be absorbed, and I really love the taste and the flavor that it adds to this turkey recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I would like to hear from you very soon. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. You can click the bell button so you don't miss any video. Remember to like this video and share with your friends. Enjoy your turkey. Bye.